everybody, this is Jonathan. Today we're going to try California Kitchen BBQ chicken pizza, and we're going to try Diet Dr. Choice from Best Choice Sodas. So today, first time trying this kind of pizza. What it looks like. Looks pretty good to me. It's called California BBQ chicken pizza. Looks pretty good to me. Notice a thinner crust. Again, it's like a sweet sauce to it, a sweet barbecue sauce. I'm only going to eat 2 of these. This chicken is actually pretty good on it. Even though this is pretty good, it's not as good as Four Hands barbecue pizza. It had pork and chicken on it. Try that. Tastes like a Diet Dr. Pepper. First time we tasting that. That's what it tastes like. It's actually pretty good, too. I can taste the sweetness to it. It's not as sweet as Four Hands, though. But still, this is pretty good. Done. I liked it. It was really good. It's California Kitchen barbecue chicken pizza. It's actually a pretty good soda. They don't have an aftertaste like most diet sodas do. Like a regular Diet Dr. Pepper. Doesn't have an aftertaste to it. I'll give that. I'm gonna get that Dr. Choice diet soda. I'm gonna get it 8.8. Because I have to say it tastes a little bit better than Diet Dr. Pepper. Just a slight better. And the California barbecue pizza kitchen, California barbecue pizza. I'm gonna give it a I'm gonna say a 9.2. It was really good. A 9.2. You need a It was really, really good. I liked it. It was one of the best pizzas. See, like I like the barbecue pizzas are really good. I mean, it seems like they got that sweet sauce to it. You know, most barbecue pizzas do. You know, try them both, man. Try the both barbecue pizzas. So far, those two of my taste so far, and see what your idea is. If you like it or not, see which one's better. To me, I'll top four hands with a little better. But this is good too. This is good too. The California barbecue pizza just is good. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up saying that you liked this video. Hit the bell, notify you that I'm uploading the video, and I'll do another video in another day.